Hariom everyone, welcome to day 19 of our 21 days challenge. We are getting closer and closer to day 21 and I'm just so proud of you to show up every single day for this challenge. So today we are not just going to practice our regular yoga flows, but it's a yoga workout. Yes, we will sweat. Yes, we will move faster. But the beautiful thing is that throughout the practice, we will stay connected to the body, to the breath, and to the awareness. So, whichever asana you do, just try to be more aware about it with your breath. And that is how it is different than just a normal workout. This is about getting that strength with softness. So let's start the practice. Come in a cross-legged position, Sukhasana. Face the palms upward. Drop the shoulders down. Keep a soft smile on the face, everyone. Take a moment here. Let's just take one deep breath in here. Open the mouth and release. Just try to observe, not judging, just observing. How am I feeling right now? Just observe. Even if you are feeling sad, if you are feeling less energetic, if you are feeling bad about anything, or maybe you are in such a very good mood, however you are, just observe your feelings. Inhale deeply. Exhale out. Very slowly, hands in the Namaskara Mudra. Let's chant the Om Uchchar in our starting prayer. Inhale. Sahana vavatu, sahano bhunaktu, sahaviryam karvavahai, tejasvinavadhitamastu, ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hariom everyone, we bow down, touch the head to the ground, go as low as you can. Beautiful, feel that connection with the Mother Earth and come back to the center. Let's rub the palms together. Let's place the palms over the eyes, feel the warmth. Open the eyes, look at the palms. And beautiful, relax. Let's just shake the body, the whole body. Shake it. Shake your hands. Shake the hands. Very nice. Let's just twist the body left to right. However you feel like, let's twist. Very nice. Last 3, 2, 1. Wonderful. Inhale, hands go high. Exhale, open the mouth, ha sound. Hands come down, neck comes down. Hands come down, neck comes down. Inhale. Last one. Let's do one more. Alright, let's come back in the seated position. Alright, let's start the practice by standing up on the mat. All the way stand up on the mat and shake your legs now. Shake the legs. Wonderful, let's jump around a little bit. Maybe with one leg, however you feel like, just jump around a little bit. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly come back to the center. Let's come forward on our mat. We'll do 3 rounds of Surya Namaskar. All right, hands to the side of the thighs in the Samasthiti position, attention pose. Ekam, inhale, hands reaching high, join the palms upward, stretch the body up. Exhale, hands come down to the side of the legs, the feet as much as you can. Fold forward, you can bend the knees. First round we do slowly, just to move the muscles, just to wake up the muscles. Inhale everyone, come on the tips of the fingers, look forward. Exhale, jump back straight into the plank pose. Jump or walk. Hold the plank pose. Exhale even more. Let's take the Chaturanga. Either drop the knees on the ground or do it in the plank pose, the push-up. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Urdhva Mukha is different than Bhujangasana. In the Urdhva Mukha, you lift the thighs up off the ground. Look up to the sky. Exhale, back into the Parvatasana. Hold the Parvatasana, stretch your whole body. Push the spine in. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Let's jump forward or walk forward in between the hands. Inhale, come on the tips of the fingers, look forward. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, hands reaching high. Exhale, Samasthiti, attention pose. Alright, understood. Let's do 2 more rounds. Ekam, inhale, hands reach high. Dve, exhale, fold forward. Treni, inhale, come on the tips of the fingers, look forward. Chatwari, exhale, jump back or walk back. All the way, go more down, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Your Parvatasana. Hold the Parvatasana. For 3, 2, 1. Jump forward in between the hands or walk forward. Come on the tips of the fingers, look forward. Exhale, fold forward, ultra deep. Try to go into the deep forward fold position. As much as we can, try to touch the chest to the thigh. Bend the knees if needed. Inhale, hands reaching high. Exhale, Samasthiti, attention pose. Ekam, inhale, hands reach high. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come on the tips of the fingers. Look forward. Exhale, jump back. Hold the plank pose. Exhale, even more, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Adho Mukha is your Parvatasana only. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Let's jump forward. Look forward. Come on the tips of the fingers. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, hands reaching high. Exhale, Samasthiti. Inhale everyone through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale again. Exhale out. Alright, just fold forward and enter into the Parvatasana. Very nice. Come in the Parvatasana. Hold the Parvatasana. Lift the right leg up, everyone. Bend the right knee. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Bring the right knee close to the nose. Shift your body weight towards the hands. Drop the right foot in between the hands. Drop the hips low. Inhale, everyone. High lunge position. Hands reaching high. Keep the back heel up. Look forward. Inhale. Now balance out and all the way stand up straight. Drop the back heel on the ground. Exhale, everyone. Bend both the knees together. Bring the hand to the heart center. Inhale, hands reaching high. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Last 5. Down. 4. Down. 3. Down. 2. Down. Last one. Let's try to hold. Do not touch the back knee on the ground. Hold. Keep the focus on the breath. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the hands on the ground. Move back into Parvatasana. Slowly lift the left leg up. Bend the left knee. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Bring the left knee close to the nose. Shift your body weight forward. Drop the foot in between the hands. Drop the hips low. Inhale, everyone. Hands reach high. Hold for 3. Hold for 2. Hold for 1. Jump and extend both the legs. Drop the back heel on the ground. Inhale, straighten out the legs. Exhale, bend both the knees. Bring the hands to the heart center. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Last 4. Last 3. 2. And the last one. Hold. Do not touch the back knee on the ground. Hold for 5. Balance. 4. 3, 2, 1. Drop the hands. Move back into the Parvatasana. Hold the Parvatasana. Very nice. Take the right hand. Grab the left heel. Hold the position. Look towards the left side. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Come back to the center. Very nice. Lift the left leg up. Bend the left knee. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Bring the left knee close to the nose. Shift the body weight forward. Drop the left foot on the ground. Drop the right heel on the ground. The right heel on the ground. Let's enter into the Virabhadrasana 2. Hands to the shoulder length. Bend the left knee. Your body, the chest will open to the right side. Look towards the left finger. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Join the hands in the Namaskara Mudra. Straighten out the legs. Bend the right knee. Move into the Skandasana on the right side. Side lunging position. Or as much as you can. Inhale everyone. Open into the Virabhadrasana 2 on the left side. Exhale, side lunge on the right side. Beautiful. Keep the breath. Focus on the breath. Inhale. Warrior 2. Exhale. Right side Skandasana. Inhale. Warrior 2. Exhale. Skandasana. Last one round. Inhale. Warrior 2. Exhale. Skandasana. Hold the side lunge position. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Very slowly, place both the hands on the right side. So the right foot will come in between the hands. Touch the left knee on the ground. Come in a nice Ashwa Sanchalan stretch, low lunge position. Open the chest. Breathe here. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, join the legs back into Parvatasana. Very nice. Alright, now this time take the left hand, grab the right foot. Inhale, open the chest towards the right side, everyone. Hold here for 3, 2, 1. Come back to the center. Lift the right leg up. Bend the right knee. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Bring the right knee close to the nose. Shift the body weight forward. Drop the right foot in between the hands. I'll just change so that I am facing towards you this time. Right foot in between the hands. Drop the left heel on the ground. All the way lift up into the Warrior 2. Bend the right knee. Inhale. Look towards the right fingers. Exhale, straighten out both the legs. Hands in the Namaskara Mudra. Bend the left knee. Move into the Skandasana. Inhale, Virabhadrasana 2 on the right leg. Exhale, Skandasana. Try to make it as smooth as you can. Skandasana. Inhale. Right fingers. Look towards the right fingers. Exhale. Skandasana. We have last 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Last 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. Hold the Skandasana. Take a nice deep breath in. Exhale out. Turn your body. Place both the hands to the side of the left foot. Inhale everyone. Your low lunging position. Ashwa Sanchalan. Look up to the sky. Exhale, Parvatasana. Take a nice deep breath in. Deep breath out. All the way right leg up. Bend the right knee. Hold for 3. Hold for 2. Hold for 1. Bring the right knee. Touch to the right elbow. Shift the body weight forward. Hold for 6. Hold for 5. Hold for 4. Hold for 3. Hold for 2. Hold for 1. Place the right foot over the left inner thigh. Try to move into the side plank position. Balance out here. Right hand up. Look at a single point. Hold for 6. Hold for 5. Hold for 4. Hold for 3. 2. 1. Drop the right hand on the ground. Bring the right foot in between the hands. Chalo, now I am challenging you from here that the moment the hands go high, you join the hands in the Namaskara Mudra. You have to lift the left leg up. In the Virabhadrasana 3. Inhale, first observe, then you can do it. Inhale, just like this. Keep that bend in the right knee for more balance, support. Hold for 5. Hold for 4. 3. 2. 1. Drop and drop. Move into Parvatasana. Beautiful, everyone. Amazing. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. All right. Left leg all the way up. Bend the left knee. Hold for 3. Hold for 2. Hold for 1. Bring the left knee close to the left elbow. Shift the body weight forward. Hold for 6. Hold for 5. Hold for 4. 3. 2. 1. Very slowly place the left foot over the right inner thigh. Oh, yes. Hold. Lift the left hand up. Hold for 6. Hold for 5. Hold for 4. 3. 2. 1. Drop the left hand. Bring the left foot in between the hands. Let's try raising up into Virabhadrasana 3. Shall we? Let's take one deep breath in here. It's hard, I know. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Let's try. Lift up and balance. Hold for 5. Hold for 4. Hold for 3. Hold for 2. And hold for 1. Drop and drop. Parvatasana. This time we drop the knees directly. And we relax in the Vajrasana. Hold the Vajrasana. Take a moment. Inhale, everyone. Exhale, everyone. Inhale here. Exhale out. Let's do a few rounds of Shitali Pranayam. Roll the tongue out. Breathe through the mouth. Exhale through the nose. Shitali Pranayam is a cooling pranayam. It helps us to cool down and relax the body because we have increased so much of the energy now, so much of heat inside the body. So we balance it out by doing the Shitali a few rounds. Let's do 1 minute of Anulom Vilom, everyone. Just to relax and calm down the body. With the Vishnu Mudra, close the right thumb. Close the right nostril. Inhale from the left. Close the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Do it for 1 minute. Take deep, deep breaths in and out. Very slowly relax everyone. Relax the hand. Take a moment. Feeling blessed and grateful here. A soft smile on the face. And then we join the hands in the Namaskara Mudra. Inhale here. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om, we bow down. Feel blessed and grateful. Come back to the center. Rub the palms all over the body. And slowly open the eyes. Alright, those who are feeling very heavy or they are very tired, do the Shavasana. Alright, even if you're not, I would just recommend that everyone just go for Shavasana for as much time as it allows you. Shavasana is a very beautiful practice in its own. It just relaxes down the body, it activates the parasympathetic nervous system, and you just feel that your energy is not drained. You are back with that powerful. You are filled with that powerful energy once again. So that is why Shavasana is important, to recharge yourself. Alright, so stay in Shavasana. Then after the Shavasana, let me know your feedback in the comment section. I look forward to reading your comments. It brings up a smile on my face that it's worth it. It just makes me feel that yes, it's coming here every single morning, this beautiful nature, it's worth it to shoot and to film videos for all of you. Thank you and Hari Om.